Below are the instructions for correctly installing the E.box. The procedures to follow are very simple. Connect CN1 RJ45 connector to the Ethernet network by Ethernet CAT5 network cable. Connect CN2 DB9 male to any E.box equipment model using a DB9 pin-to-pin cable. In the E.box equipment to be monitored, use the DB9 connector located on the front panel or the one on the rear panel. It is important that the communication speed between the Ethernet module and the transmitter is the same. That is, it must be that of the module, which is 38,400 baud. Therefore, this value must be set in the communication port set user interface of the transmitter. Connect CN3 to the power supply, then the power supply to the electric network. E.box switches on automatically. Correct operation is shown by the flashing yellow activity LED.